home in front of our family, friends. It's great any time to be able to do it 2 weeks in a row, just before the Christmas break I think it's a great opportunity for us to hopefully finish this part of the year strongly. They're a strong side, very much like Petrarca, I think. They've got a lot of high-level experience. You can see that in their game, the way they play, and structured and well organised. So it's going to be a big test for us, I guess, and see how much we've grown from that Petrarca game to now. Yeah, we've got some guys with injuries, and it's just part and parcel of rugby. It's a long year, and you're going to pick up these injuries. So we've got plenty of depth in our squad, though. We trust that, and I guess it's just next man up, and some guys will get an opportunity this week, and hopefully they take it and keep the sort of momentum of our season going. The game, we're looking to improve in a couple of areas in our defence. So we'll be working on that over the last sort of few days, and certainly we want to be nice and aggressive, but connected in our defensive system. And attack-wise, we just want to be, I guess, be a bit more patient, a bit more accurate with the ball in hand, and reduce the turnover opportunities we have been giving teams.